Well, looks like we have a little visitor at the range today. We have a praying mantis who's not doing very well. I think he froze because it was below freezing this morning, and I don't think he's happy about it. He's trucking along, trying to get away. I don't know if he will or not. Hello, look this way. Yep, he's full of sand, he's wet, he's thawing out, he's sitting in the sun, and he's not very happy. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to reload with the GSG 1911. Great pistols. Got some mini mags left. I shot a bunch of them. And some older stuff. Picked up at a local gun shop for $3.99 because they had been opened. Somebody must have traded them in on something, and they're shooting nice. So we got a few of those left, and we have some golden bullets, Remington. So I'm going to load up these magazines and go have some fun with them. Alright, so now we're going to head over, and you see that kind of shiny stuff in the distance. It's mud. We just had a really huge storm that knocked power out to a few thousand people. We lost power too. And this is just a big giant puddle from all the rain we had. So it's not a lake or a pond or anything. And so this is kind of nice, especially with 22s. As you'll see, we have a nice safe background. That hill is probably almost 3 stories tall. Doesn't look like it from here on video camera, but it is. And so obviously I don't shoot into a pile of rocks because that's not safe. They could ricochet up over the hill. And I'm shooting mini mags, which go about 1.25 miles to 1.5 miles. And while that probably would not hit anybody that lives around here, since nobody really lives around here except for a couple miles away, it definitely is better to be safe. Got the GSG 1911 22s with some mini mags and a nice big rainwater puddle, which usually this isn't flooded over here. So we had a big storm that knocked the power out, as I was saying. So we're going to do one of our favorite things we like to do. Pretty soon this is going to be frozen. Fun. And here we have some wild turkey tracks. Now how do we know they're wild turkey tracks? Because they look like dinosaur footprints. And we actually have a few sets of them. And the thing is with turkeys is they're pretty heavy, so you can see they're going down pretty far in the ground. So it looked like a family of them came around this way, went up on the road, and over this way we have, there we go, we get some deer track, a little deer hooves, look like 2 of them, walking up this way. So we get this other area here. It's sand and mud. Some mini mags, safety's on. And having fun. All right, now we're going to try some Remington golden bullets in the GSG 1911. We'll see how it likes them. I already know they run pretty well, unless we get one that doesn't fire. And what I do like about this pistol is the sighting system, but as you can see, the front sight's pretty thin, so it gives you a lot of leeway to incorrectly aim. It takes a little getting used to, but once you do, it's pretty good. So now we're going to shoot these Remington mini Remington silver bullets, not mini mags, that's CCI, and let's see how they run in this. Try not to get wet. So they don't quite have as much pop as the mini mags. They shoot pretty well. Beautiful pistols. You should pick one up. They're a lot of fun. Good quality item. GSG 1911. Mine is actually a ATI version. They had the Sig Sauer ones originally, and I believe the parts are all interchangeable between the two. And pretty cool. Highly recommended. They're awesome. You just have to use ammo that's got some pop to it, or else it won't cycle well. But once you use mini mags and things like that, not a problem. Alright, one of our favorite things we like to do here is plink cans on the ground. We have soda cans and canned good cans, tin cans, which we've already shot the hell out of, but I want to get this on video, and hopefully I can hit what I'm aiming at. There's one, two, sometimes they go right through the can, but sometimes you get some nice can action. Like that. So a lot of fun to do. Good target practice with one hand holding a camera. And this is our little layout here. Nice place to come shoot at an undisclosed location in Maine. So there you have it.